will
This is
occur.
insane, y'all.
Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be
Hold
near
up.
New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Pewaukee, Sussex, Heartland, Elm Grove, Germantown, and Lisbon around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include...
That's crazy. Hold up. Let's go with the sirens. Sirens going off! Hold on, I get outside the sirens. What the
I am not afraid of no tornado.
I'm not afraid, I'm happy.
Number 595
Excuse me, I'm gonna do different. Hold up. Fucking sirens are going off, bro. What, Mom? Holy shit. Holy fuck. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Yo, you know where the tornado's at? Holy shit. Holy fuck. Oh, I don't see that shit, bro. Oh, damn. It's crazy. Everything's going off. This is so crazy, bro. All the sounds are going off, bro. Listen to them, bro. This is fucking beautiful. This is beautiful. Where is the tornado? I think it's this way. Ooh. I gotta run down that. I need to go that siren over there. Hold up. I can't, bro. The car's gone, bro. The car broke down. But they be one down. This is crazy. Look at the birds. I think is that Ryan over there? Oh, what the hell his name is? I forgot. It's been like 2 years. It's crazy as hell. What the hell is everyone? Every siren's going off. That's crazy. A tornado warning, bro? We haven't had one of these in a while. This is crazy. Is birds out still? I gotta see where the siren's coming from real quick. That's crazy as hell. Out of nowhere, I was just playing Roblox, bro. Let me play Roblox in peace.